Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete videos on TikTok, like how you can delete your videos. So go to your profile page and select the videos that you want to delete. Sorry, there's a cat outside my house. For instance, you want to delete this one. So you are going to select these three dots. Then you are going to just select delete and select delete again, but I'm not going to do that. So that's pretty much how you can delete videos on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!